Welcome to DataFix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop the auto payments on your Cash App without deleting your account. So first of all, most auto payments on Cash App are set up through the merchants like Spotify, maybe Netflix, whatever it is. So what you'll have to do basically is log in through that service that you have, as an example, the auto payments on, and go to billing/payments and choose to cancel your subscription or turn off the auto renew. And this will stop future charges from being sent to Cash App. So at the moment, I'm using just like a simulator app to show you like an example what's inside Cash App. So for you, if you don't want to do that as an example, you might even try to block the merchants in Cash App. You can just go and open your Cash App as an example, go and click into the activity or clock icon. And from there, you should find the last payments to that merchant. Click on it. As an example, for me, I don't have any payments. So for you, click on it and click on View Recurring Payments and select Cancel or Turn off Auto Add Cash if linked to your bank as well. Also, you can remove the payments authorization. So open the Cash App, go to your profile example, and if you have any linked account, tap on the bank or card tied to the subscription and click on Remove. This will force the payment to fail, stopping the auto charges as well. You can also try to contact the Cash App support in the app, ask them to revoke some merchant authorization for that subscription if none of the above or what I said before work. So they will block that merchant from charging you in the future as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.